Hello students, welcome to Brain Teasers with Abhishek Anand, your educator on Unacademy, India's largest learning online platform. Quick introduction, this is Abhishek Anand, did my graduation from SRCC, my MBA from IIM Bangalore. I worked with a multinational financial institute for 5 years before I took the plunge and joined the education industry. Ever since then, I've been in the training industry, training people to get into the top B schools. Now, I started this series, Brain Teasers with Abhishek Anand, and this is the third question. The intent being that those of us who are not able to solve logical reasoning questions, the prime reason for that is my brain is not used to process information in a certain manner. So, how do I work on that? Train my brain with certain exercises. So that is what the intent is. I had given two earlier questions before this. Now this is my third question. Try to solve this. As I have told you earlier, not much of a time. Those who want to solve it can pause it. I'm coming directly to the solution. So if you want to give it a try, you may pause the video right now and come to the solution after you've give it a decent amount of time. All right. So there are two rooms. Two rooms were given. I have shown you doors, right, to the rooms. So 1 and 2. So one of these room has treasure in it. Both these people, A and B, are aware of it, right? We don't get emotional about it, that why are they not taking the treasure. They have reached self-actualization mode of life, so they don't own money, whatever it is. So both of these people know which room has a treasure. One of them is a liar, one of them always speaks the truth. They both are aware of this fact about each other, right? Now our task is we have to ask one question each and figure out which room has the treasure. One constraint on us is we cannot ask the question the answer of which we already know, because for instance I can just go and ask, am I wearing a black color black t-shirt, Unacademy's t-shirt, and if let's say A says no, then I know he's a liar, right? And then I'll ask B which room has a treasure, and I know that this guy is the honest guy. So I cannot ask the question the answer of which I already know. So what question will you ask these people, right? So let's say hypothetically treasure is in this room, let's say hypothetically. So I should be able to figure out after asking these people that which room has a treasure. Now case wise there are two cases, right? Case 1, A could be liar and B could be the honest guy, and case 2, A is the honest guy and B is the liar, right? These are the two possible cases. So the question that I'll ask A is, which, if I ask B which room has the treasure, what will B say? So my question to A is that if I ask B which room has the treasure, what will B say? So basically this would be my question. Yeah, this would be my question. Now I'm taking case 1 where A is liar and B is honest. So I ask A which room will B say the treasure is in. Now A knows that in this case that B is the honest guy. So what will B respond to? B would say 2, right? Assuming that the treasure is in room 2. So B would have said 2, but because A is a liar, A will say 1. He will lie about what will B say, right? Now when I come to B, right, so basically I'll get a lie. I ask liar what will B say. So B would have given me a correct answer, but A will give me an incorrect response. Now I go to B and I ask B that if I ask A which room has a treasure, what will A say? So I'm asking B, who in this case I have assumed to be an honest guy, that what will a liar say? Now B knows that A knows the treasure is in room 2, but B also knows that A is a liar. So B knows if you ask A, he will say room number 1, and because B is an honest guy, he'll respond, he'll give me the answer what he knows A will say. So what will B say? B will also give me an answer which is 1. And I know now that the treasure between room 2, because in both the cases I'm getting the incorrect answer. If you ask the liar what will honest person say, you will get a lie, and if you ask the honest person what will a liar say, you will get a lie. So basically whatever answer I get, I'm not saying I'll get 1, I'm saying whatever I get here, I know treasure will not be in that room, will be in some other room. Let's imagine a different scenario. Let's say A is honest and B is liar. Again same thing, I ask A. In this case the scenario changes. A is honest but B is liar. So A knows that B will say number 1, so he will respond as 1. In this case, B is a liar. He knows that A will say room number 2, but because he's a liar, he'll say room number 1. So again, I'll get the same answer, but this would be incorrect, right? So I'll ask A, what will B say? I'll ask B, what will A say? This is binary logic. I'll do more questions on that. In fact, my next question would be an extension of this logic. So I'll see you there. And guys, this is my official Unacademy's Telegram channel. Please subscribe to this channel. I don't do just brain teasers. I do other strategy sessions. I have done videos on what is a good profile to get into an IIM, what is a good CV, right? So if you subscribe to this channel, I'll keep on notifying you with my next videos or my past videos, right? Also, if you want me to do something some video on some topic which is close to you, which is relevant to you, put it on the comment section. I'll pick it up and I'll do a video on that. So take care. See you with my next question.